is a bit of a magician. So he would like to start the show with a magic trick that will tell you all about our topic. You see this empty tube? Nothing in it, right? Empty tube. But Harpo's a magician.
All the way down.
What do you think, Harpo? He has a message for you all. It says, say no to drugs. And Harpo wants to show you why you want to say no to drugs. Suppose this is drugs. Once you start taking drugs, it's a slippery slope. There's no stopping. Now, Harpo is our team driver. He's 16. He has a birdie driver's license. If somebody were offering him drugs, I bet he'd say, nah, you can't work on a car when you're on drugs. He always checks under the hood, and then he climbs in, and off we go. Maury is our talker, but he is a quiet little guy. Does anybody have a birthday coming up soon? Oh, goody. He would like to wish you all a happy birthday. Since he's a talker, if he were someplace, like maybe at a party and they started bringing drugs out, he can call home and say, get me out of here. Are we going to pick up the phone today? He says, I got a big audience out there. Hello. If somebody's pressing you to try drugs, you can always talk to an adult, maybe a teacher, someone you trust. Just like Maury here, talk to somebody. They'll give you good advice about saying no to drugs. The reason you don't want to take drugs is you can't be an athlete if you're on drugs. Let's have Harpo down here. He's our star athlete. You got the ball. He dashes down the court, up to the basket, and slam dunks it. Good job. But, does anybody know what he did wrong? Can you just hold the ball and run down the court? No, that's called traveling. So, little Izzy saw that, and he's a very smart little bird. He said, I can figure out how to dribble a ball. Ready? There you go. Dribble, 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 dribble. Slam dunk it. Oh, one more dribble. If Izzy's at a park and somebody's there trying to get him to take drugs, what he does is just get on his scooter and rides on out of there. Ooh, uphill. Are you a smart little bird? Yeah, you're smart. Okay, would you ever take drugs? No, never. Why not, Izzy? What happens to a bird on drugs? Oh, they fall off their perch, and they lose their brains. Come on, lose your brains. There we go. Oh, God. A demonstration of why you don't want to take drugs. At first, you may think, You're in charge. Oh, he thinks he's in charge. Yeah, we're having a tug of war there. But pretty soon the drugs takes over and it's a ride and you got no control. Good boy. If maybe a friend is trying to get you to take drugs, one thing you can do is say, no, that's no fun. Let's do something more fun. Harpo likes to go roller skating. You're so graceful. Or another good ploy, if somebody's trying to get you to take drugs, make up an excuse and say, oh no, I gotta be home in 5 minutes. Hop on your bicycle and get on out of there. All drugs are illegal. Cigarettes, not illegal, but it's still drugs. And Harpo's going to give you a demonstration of why you don't ever want to start smoking cigarettes. It's real hard to stop. And why wouldn't you want to have a cigarette? Oh, they make you sick. Right, good job. So what do you do with that cigarette? You put it in the trash. How about the whole pack? Good job. And the lid. Way to go, Harpo. Now you gotta be smart about drugs. Let's see how smart Harpo is. Can you get these rings on? That's right. Good choice. Gotta have the biggest one first. That's good. Oh, he almost made a mistake, but he changed his mind. Good boy. Good boy. So Harpo says, remember, be smart, say no to drugs. Let's have a final round of applause for the Safe for Service